And my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. You will always be beautiful in my eyes. To catch a glimpse of you, and you will never know. You'll always be beautiful in my eyes. Oh, Gia, how's daddy singing? Ha? Good morning, baby. Just wake up. Practice singing tayo? How's daddy's voice? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Oh, speechless.